Okay, so here's the block all finished, all pressed. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did. And I'll see you next time. Take that off. So these are all of the shapes. I'm going to back up the camera just a tidge here and maybe get it up a little higher. All right, let's go ahead and clear the deck over here and put the board in. All right, here we go. And then here's the second one. So now the other thing that's kind of counterintuitive, because in quilting we never do this, but in garment seamstressing you do. So we're going to be pressing these seams. I've already said, and you've seen. So let me just finger press real quick here. Finger press here. And then what we're going to do is kind of just pick away at that center. And some piece has to be flat up against the edge of all of them. Okay, so that goes for that one, and this one. All right, so now, and then I've got my my three pieces here that I've laid out, and I've laid them out in the right order because I laid them down in the right order. That's another thing. If you all right, you can imagine how much faster this is when you're doing multiple layers. So you can do 6 safely at one time, and very accurately. I will say this is way more accurate than my cutting, but it does depend on how you put it on there. Okay, so here are all the pieces that we need. Okay, so I wanted to show you pinned what it looked like. So you're always on all of these when you're doing, these are the outside frame of the block. All of these are always going to get pinned to what I call the peak side, never the flat side of what I call the petal. Okay, so here you can, I have been pretty successful here. So I've just kind of finger pressed it down in the center. Now I'm going to take this, being pretty careful not to ruin, which I already did right here. Try not to change your pressing that you've already accomplished. All right, there we go. All right. Now let's turn it over and do a press job here. And here you go. Ta-da! There is our pinwheel block. And look at how flat that is. Trust me, I made several of these blocks before I made the exact. This is called Starburst, and it is in this Pinwheel Spark Book. This is a sampler journey, and there's 9 blocks in here that actually we extracted from a Pinwheel book